The board and staff of the Tobago Tourism Agency Limited held an appreciation luncheon for outgoing Chief Executive Officer Mr. Louis Lewis. Over the last 5 years, Lewis spearheaded TITAL, which was tasked with the responsibility to redevelop, market and reposition the island's tourism products.
It was a very difficult decision for me to make. I want to take the spotlight off of me because none of what we achieved, I could have done it by myself. And I had a very good team.
During Mr. Lewis's tenure, Tobago received several international awards. In 2020, Northeast Tobago received the UNESCO Man and the Biosphere designation. And in 2019, the Tobago Beyond Ordinary brand copped the World Travel Market Silver Award for Best National Tourism Award campaign.
When you hear the Silver Award and you hear Tobago, up to today I can't tell you that I heard who won. I know now, but I did not hear, because to me that the show had ended. We won and they said it and they looked at us and we went and we collected something. So to me that was an endorsement.
The agency under Mr. Lewis has been instrumental in starting several initiatives to bolster Tobago's tourism industry.
Customer service training initiative that we are taking on as an island-wide initiative. There's no other island in the Caribbean who has taken it on at that scale, but it's moving quietly and it's moving slowly. We have a very excellent partnership with the THTI in putting that training together, and we have an international partner in uplifting service to make it happen.
The outgoing CEO hopes that Destination Tobago can capitalize on other major initiatives that would reposition the island's tourism sector.
I really would have liked to complete the digitization project. It's a point where creating impressions in the marketplace is what we do, and we've been able to create a lot, over 6 million on a monthly basis. But where the chain is broken is between creating the impression and closing a sale. And the closing a sale is the part where the private sector comes in, and we are not sufficiently digitized. People are moving to a platform, or are in a platform now, where they expect to pay by a credit card. They expect to be able to make contactless, close transactions, and we are not there yet.
The Secretary of Tourism, Culture, Antiquities and Transportation, Assistant Secretary, Administrator and the staff of the division thanked Mr. Louis Lewis for his remarkable contribution to Tobago's tourism product and wish him great success for the future. I am Julia James from the Division of Tourism, Culture, Antiquities and Transportation.